Moments after Luigi Mangione was arrested last year, a police officer searched his bag and allegedly found a loaded gun magazine inside. That discovery was recounted in court today. And Alice Gaynor joins us live in Lower Manhattan with more on today's developments. Alice.
That's right. That responding officer testified about her search of the bag, first at the McDonald's, then at the police station. The defense wants evidence found in that backpack tossed out before trial because they claim there was no search warrant. Altoona, Pennsylvania police officer Christy Wasser took the stand for most of the day, testifying she searched Luigi Mangione's backpack briefly at the McDonald's after he was arrested and further at the police station. Prior to the first search, a police officer is heard on body cam asking Mangione if there was anything in the bag he needed to be aware of. Mangione responded, "I'm just going to remain silent." Wasser said this heightened her concern, and she testified she was told to check for a potential bomb. On cross-examination, Wasser reaffirmed she was afraid of a potential bomb. The defense asked Wasser if she cleared the area of customers and called the bomb squad. Wasser said no. The defense asked, "Weren't you actually looking through his bag because you thought he was the NYC shooter?" She replied, "No, we search all bags of people we arrest." On body cam, we watched as Wasser testified about what was happening. In the McDonald's, she says she pulled out a knife, sandwich, bag of bread, passport, a pouch that hides cell signals, and wet underwear wrapped around a fully loaded magazine from the backpack. After feeling around for a bit and feeling satisfied there wasn't a bomb, she said they were going to bring the bag to the station for further searching. Other law enforcement is seen on camera discussing whether a search warrant is needed due to the severity of the case. During the search of the bag at the police station, Wasser is heard saying there's a weapon, testifying she pulled out a gun, silencer, a red notebook, and a handwritten map, among other items. So I was sitting behind the defense table and I saw Luigi Mangione get very animated when he was speaking with his defense attorney seated to his right. This was after the picture of that gun allegedly found in his backpack was displayed on screen. Now, the defense also questioned Wasser. They wanted to know, how come you didn't find that gun until you got to the police precinct? And she said, "I just hadn't searched that pocket." Christine?
Alice, other than the officer, anyone else take the stand today?
Yes, the first assistant district attorney of Blair County, Pennsylvania, explained that once they discovered that gun, Mangione did not have a legal permit to carry, so it was confiscated. It was considered illegal contraband, and it was seized.
All right, Alice Gaynor reporting for us in Lower Manhattan. Alice, thank you.